In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the parking brake release handle on this Dodge Ram 2500. It's located on the left side of your dash, right by the parking brake pedal, so let's get started. Looking at the parking brake release lever, you'll see that there's a rod going through it, and this right here is a locking tab for the rod that we have to pop off so that we can remove said rod. Sometimes you can do this by hand, but a lot of times just the angle that it's at, you'll have to use a screwdriver or a pick and just pull this down. Once you've pulled that down, you can pop this away. Now you should be able to pull out on the actual lever here, this handle. And with a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that hold this onto the dash. Close it up, pull it down. Now we'll have to remove this rod from the handle itself so we can reuse it on the new one. Hold this tab and twist the rod, take it out, and there is your old handle. Now take your rod and slide it into the new handle assembly, clip it in. You want to make sure you have it oriented in the right direction because this bend right here is meant to go around the pedal. So the pedal is actually going to travel up and down here. If you have it flipped backwards, so this end on the handle and this end on the pedal side, it might contact it and it's not going to function properly. So you want to make sure as you're looking at it from the back side that the bend goes towards the left, like I said, from the back side. Now take the handle, slide it in, and push it up into the dash here. Open it up and let's just secure it with the 3 mounting screws. That way it can actually stay. Grab one of the screws and just start whichever one lines up first. I'm not going to completely tighten it yet, so I can move it around to line up the other 2. There's one, and the third one right over here. And now that they're all in, I can snug this up. And if we close this up, we should be able to reconnect this rod on this red tab, slide it through, and lock it in. And there we have it. Now when you pull on it, it should release.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.